Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about 1 over cosine s squared on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put this one go inside about the cube root, and you got about cosine s to the power of 6. Next, we need to simplify cosine s to the power of 4 on numerator and denominator. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin s over cosine s equals to tan s. 1 over cosine s equals to secant of s. So this one we have secant of s squared. This one we have tan s squared. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s, and later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of s squared ds. This one we change by u, and we have u squared. This one we change by du. So for this one we have u to the power of 2 over 3. So if I want to put this one on numerator, we need to have the negative sign on the power. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have 1 over 3. 1 over 3 about u, that is about tan s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.